Do you have a collection of fitted snapbacks, vintage finds, or thrifted hat gems? Are you tired of your caps losing their original shape? Bends, folds, and creases taking the life out of your favorite cap? Or maybe you wash your hat with a hat saver, only to find it's left with unwanted wrinkles. We've got a solution for you at Hat Heroes. Our professional hat steaming service restores your caps to their original glory. We use a cap iron similar to the ones used in hat factories, ensuring every hat gets the treatment it deserves. Whether it's a fitted, snapback, or vintage treasure, we'll bring it back to life with a steam revival. Check out these amazing before and after results. While we are not a cleaning service, you're welcome to wash your hats beforehand. No need to worry about wrinkles. We'll take care of that. Getting your hats revived is easy. Drop off your hats and pick them up at any of our convenient pop-up locations in Los Angeles, California, San Francisco, California, Tempe, Arizona, and Las Vegas, Nevada. Not close to a pop-up? No problem. Ship your hats to us, and we'll steam and return them in protective packaging so they arrive as good as new. And that's not all. At Hat Heroes, we also offer exclusive rewards and discounts for early bird customers and bulk orders. Get your family's collection steamed or even your team's caps refreshed. Join the Hat Heroes movement today.